SG906 Brigade Shooting Drones. Precise GPS positioning system. New upgrade of strong power brushless motor. Configure a high-precision gyroscope. The optical flow location is more accurate. HD 4K 120-degree wide-angle adjustable modular camera. Self-stabilizing electronic anti-shake function. The picture recording is clearer. 5G Wi-Fi signal. Stable HD map transmission. Collapsible fuselage. Portable. Intelligent following function to free your hands. 360-degree point of interest surrounding. Shot flashy movies so easily. Flight point to wherever you want it to fly to. There's no need to bother with course control. Low power and low signal with intelligent return, making the flying more secure. Measures need attention. Presentation of the product. Product list display. Preparation before flight. Turn on the remote control. The monitor top mode is 0. Long press aircraft battery switch. A beep sound of the remote control. Success of code to code. At this point, the mode 0 on the remote control monitor becomes mode 1. The aircraft leave flight on the ground. Press the speed key for about 5 seconds. A beep sound of the remote control. Flashes of aircraft lights. Gyroscope correction complete. Release the button. Press the photo button for about 5 seconds. A beep sound of the remote control. Flashes of aircraft lights. Pick up the aircraft and take it a meter up the ground. The horizontal plane rotates clockwise. When you hear a beep from the remote, direct the aircraft. With the camera down, turn a circle clockwise. When you hear a beep from the remote, geomagnetic correction is completed. With the aircraft light changed into a flashing every 1 second every time. Connect to Wi-Fi. Scan the corresponding 2D mode. Download app. Enter the phone setup option. Turn on the wireless network. Search device. Connect. After successful connection, exit the setup option. Turn on the software on your phone. Search GPS. Mode 1 is for optical flow mode. At this point, the aircraft will automatically enter star search mode. The number of satellites has reached about 10 to complete positioning. The remote will enter the GPS function with a beep. The aircraft lamp is always bright. Mode 1 turn into Mode 2. Unlock the takeoff. At this point, the aircraft is in GPS mode. With the GPS feature, aircraft unlocking. The left and right joysticks of the remote control pull outwards or inside at the same time. Then the lock can be unlocked. After the motor starts, it can fly. Basic manipulation. 1 key takeoff. 1 key landing.